They are going to be, oh my god. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Robinhood Wallets just came out for the general public in beta format, and you want to know, what are Robinhood Wallets? Why would anybody use a Robinhood wallet? And does it matter to you to make you more money? So if you are a general crypto investor, these Robinhood wallets are a great addition to Robinhood. So basically what a Robinhood wallet is it allows you to, if you bought crypto on Robinhood, it allows you to send and receive the crypto from different formats. So you can receive crypto from somebody, or you can send crypto to somebody, as well as receive crypto from an exchange or send it to a different exchange if that is something that you want to do. So before wallets came out, if you bought crypto on Robinhood, it was stuck to the Robinhood platform. So fortunately, now that Robinhood has added wallets, you are able to transfer your earnings or transfer your money to a different location. So it's just great to where if you bought all of this crypto and you want to change exchanges, let's say that Robinhood pissed you off for some reason. Let's say that Robinhood implemented a new policy that you are very unhappy with and you want to change exchanges. For example, you want to transfer your money to Coinbase. That is entirely possible for you to be able to do now that these Robinhood wallets are available, which is overall a great thing. So I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood wallets very quickly and explain why these are very, very cool. All right, so after you have the wallet set up, you want to open Robinhood. So I'm opening Robinhood and I'm gonna scroll down to crypto. So cryptocurrency. So right now I have 3 cryptocurrencies that I have bought with my own money. So I'll go to Bitcoin. And you can see if you scroll down slightly, there is now a send and receive button. So these are both brand new if you have wallets enabled. So we'll go to send. So let's say I wanted to send, or I wanted to transfer my money to BlockFi. So I want to transfer $1,000 of Bitcoin into BlockFi. The cool thing is that in the top right, you can also switch the format. So if you want to send it in Bitcoin in the coin amounts, you can switch it to that. However, I find this way to be a little bit more difficult to kind of pinpoint how much you're selling, because, so for example, if I want to send somebody money for buying me lunch, I don't really know how much to send them in Bitcoin. So what if I sent them 0.0005 Bitcoin? What is that? Is that $10? Is that $20? Is that $50? I don't really know right now. So I'm going to switch that back to USD. It also switches to whatever local currency you have. So let's say I want to send $1,000. So then I'll hit continue. So then you can see my keyboard here. So this is where you will scan the QR code to send it to, or you will paste your Bitcoin address in here. So I'm gonna go to BlockFi because this is where if I wanted to transfer it to a different exchange. So I'll go to BlockFi and then I will go to wallet at the top here and then fund. And then I'll do a crypto transfer. And then Bitcoin. Okay, so I know that was a lot of buttons. So anyway, here is the QR code to be able to receive Bitcoin. So I can't scan a QR code off of my phone to be able to use it in the same app. So I'm going to copy this address here with this button, and then I'm going to go back to Robinhood. And then down here, you'll click paste address. And then you will paste the address that you just copied. So this works with Robinhood, BlockFi, or Coinbase that I'm aware of, and I'm sure there are more out there. But this also works with people, which I will get into in a minute. So me, as a Robinhood user, I have my own wallet address that people can send me crypto to. So that works as well. So in here, pasted the address, and then I'm going to click review. And then you'll see the final order. So I'm not actually going to transfer it because I want to keep everything in Robinhood, but you'll want to note that there is a small fee at the bottom. So if you are sending $1,000 of Bitcoin, there is a network fee of about 20 cents. So this network fee is subtracted from the amount that is sent. So that's something to keep in mind as well. This service is not free. There is a small fee for transferring. But yeah, you can also edit it. So if you want to change something, or if you want to go to Bitcoin and say like, oh, I do actually just want to send 0.000000069 Bitcoin. or whatever. Like, you are able to do that if you wanted to. So if you go to receive, it looks very similar, except you're presented with a QR code instead. So if anybody wants to send me any Bitcoin, you are free to be able to do that. So it allows you to copy the address or share as well. So you can click share, and then it brings up, for me, the share screen. And I'm not going to go into that, but you can share it on different apps like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. You know, why wouldn't you want to share it with your LinkedIn comrades? You can hit copy address, and then you can go back to BlockFi. And then if I had Bitcoin in BlockFi, which I just had BlockFi because I was testing it, but I don't have any money actually stored in it. However, you can go in here and you would be able to transfer it the other way as well. So if I had money in BlockFi that I wanted to send to Robinhood, I could do that. Or I could also receive crypto from somebody if they wanted to pay me or whatever. So on the surface, this may seem like a small feature, just sending crypto back and forth between accounts or people or what have you. However, in the long term of crypto, this is a big advance that I think is going to be very influential in the long term. So this will no doubt increase the profit of crypto. And the reason I say that is because the more that crypto is widely adopted by the general public, the more its value will go up over time. And being able to send money back and forth between exchanges is a huge benefit to increasing crypto over the long term. And it's something that I think is great that they added, because long story short, whether you like crypto or not, or whether you like Robinhood or not, Robinhood is a huge player in the crypto and stock exchange market. So the fact that crypto you buy on Robinhood is no longer locked to simply Robinhood is great. And it's something that, so the fact that now crypto you buy in Robinhood will no longer be locked to just Robinhood will no doubt increase the amount of crypto that is exchanged using the app. And it's something that will definitely benefit Robinhood in the short term, but I think in the long term will help crypto as a whole. I think this because crypto eventually, if it wants to achieve its goal of being a decentralized network, you're going to have to be able to send crypto back and forth very easily between people. And it's something that before you just simply could not do. Money you can send very easily, such as Venmo or what have you, but crypto is not as easily accessible. So Robinhood going this wallet route is definitely making crypto more accessible for just everyday regular transactions. And I think in the long term, it will really help increase the value of crypto. And yeah, guys, are you going to use crypto wallets? Let me know in the comments, as well as subscribing if you're new to the channel. That has been it for this one. I hope your day is as pleasant as you are, and I will see you in the next video.